Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Real quickly, I just want to say thanks to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to welcome anybody who's just come through and checking out the EDC content. Thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see and you'd like to be updated when I upload new content, go live, make community announcements, if you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon. It also really helped me out. So today we have an unboxing from CountyCom. I'm going to use my Baltic Blades Aegis G2 to get into this. And this is a little unique. This is a battery. A tube, a sticker, and a code card from CountyCom. So guys, I don't know if you go to CountyCom or not. I buy a lot of different like miscellaneous items from there, like different type of pry bars. I've gotten some different plastic pries to take my knives apart, several screwdrivers. But this is something that's pretty cool. You guys might remember I got the little mini laser projecting deal or laser flashlight. And this is, my understanding, it's the Big Daddy. Maratac LEP DX features a highly confirmed white laser light source, the reflector of the light, blah, blah, blah. There's that if y'all want to read it. It's the LEP DX Reach. And it comes with these little glow tubes, which I need to get these same tubes in Tritium. I need to get these sizes because these are little glow-in-the-dark tubes that you can glue back there. Kind of what they'd look like if you were to use them. Put a little glue on them. Let's see, what do we do? Yellow. We do blue. Then we go yellow. Red. This is just to kind of show you what it would do. So you could put tritium, little tritium vials in there to make it even more visible. Dump those out for now. But this is a bigger light, and I knew it wasn't going to be an EDC per se light, but my little mini is no short of amazing. I mean, it's got this really wild laser emission system. Let's do this. Whoops. Let's not do that. Let's do this. Let's see which way it goes in there. The good news is it's got an 18650 tube in there. Not that way. Really good knurling. All right, that way. So it'll also take an 18650 battery, but this big boy runs on these 21/700s. Got a couple of extra gaskets there. Got our little faux glow-in-the-dark tritium-like inserts. But we got our light. So guys, this is the small one that I got. And as you guys might remember, this guy shoots a beam across. It's got a low and a high, but it'll shoot a beam about 1/4 mile. This guy will shoot a beam about twice that far. So I can actually feel it on my hand. So this is not a spotlight per se. What it is, on low, I mean literally, it looks like a laser. You can see the blue laser in there. But on high, it is just blinding. I mean, I can shoot this out the door and it goes across the street into the cemetery. So this is, again, the Maratac LEP DX Reach. I've got a little flash in my eyes right now from it flashing back at me. Really cool light. It looks like it's got a place if you wanted to tie a lanyard onto it. It is a full-size light. You know, the small one came with the clip. This one doesn't even come with the clip. This is just a put in your bug out bag or put in your car type of light for when you really want to have to reach out there or blind somebody. This light would be a great accessory if you did need to reach out there and blind somebody in a self-defense situation, because again, the beam is next level bright. Can't really do, oh, maybe I'll do some outside videos with some of my flashlights. Go outside one dark night and you know, just kind of show you the difference in some of my little bougie flashlights that do a really good job at getting in and out, finding keys, doing stuff like that. And then some of my bigger Maratac floods like this one that are good for lighting up a pretty wide area. And then show you what one of these LEP or whatever they're called. I think it's a, yeah, LEP, laser emitting projector. They are something else, guys. And I can tell you that there is no brighter light that I've ever come into contact with than this guy. I mean, that bouncing off my mat is blinding. So it is absolutely a cool light. I was glad they don't stay in stock that long. They are in stock. I'll leave a link. I don't have any affiliation with Maratac. They sell the cells, the batteries separately. I'll put a link in there for that, or I'll just put a link for the light because it's got a link to the cells that they recommend. But guys, I appreciate you checking it out. I know it's not a knife. We'll have some knives coming in this week. I just wanted to share with you as things roll in the door that I irresponsibly go out and buy. I love you all. I appreciate you more than you know. All I ask is please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.